seen a bit of snow this Monday morning. I know Jordan had mentioned that snow started to fall across Florence since last night. It actually looks a bit like a winter wonderland.
We're still talking about widespread snow up across southern Middle Tennessee. We're beginning to see widespread snow filter in.
We are just almost at a full inch of snow, as if you can see, and it's coming down heavy here in Florence.
We're headed towards Huntsville, and we're still seeing just cars driving at a slow pace, at a steady pace.
17 degrees right now in Huntsville, 18 Athens and Decatur, 17 in Florence, 18 in Pulaski.
A few drivers brave the snow-blanketed roads like here on Memorial Parkway. In Mid-City, US 72 saw the same road conditions. In Mid-City's The Camps graveled parking lot was completely covered in snow. Colbert County would see more of the snowfall with bridges covered in the snow.
This is Memorial Parkway. As you can see, there are a few cars on the road, but again, everything seems to be pretty quiet.
But I want to elaborate more on the conditions out in Northwest Alabama, and that is where we once again today find my friends Simon Williams and Nick Kuzma.
I think if you guys are driving at all today and you're going to be moving from your local road, hopefully to take the interstate or a state road, if you need to go to the grocery store or run to the pharmacy or check on a relative, you want to make sure you're prioritizing those more well-trafficked roads.
The traffic has done most of the work in its own little mini version of the plow. You'll see how the tire treads have created little lanes, but there is a clear indentation where a plow did go.
It felt so much better in the car. I would have thought that we were feels like 3 or 4 or maybe 0, because my face is cold, it's red, and I'm ready to go back inside in the car.
What you're looking at is just outside of Chapman Mountain. It looks very quiet. No one's on the road.
So last night, shortly after 5 o'clock, we received an alarm call.
Decatur Middle School is experiencing the bad side of the latest storm.
And this is the single worst destruction that I've seen in the school.
Cities like Florence and the Shoals saw up to 3 inches of snow. The historic Quad Cities fountain is seen completely frozen, and you can see UNA's campus desolate of any students, but completely covered in ice.
People do need to stay home. 21 feels like 15 in Huntsville, 26 feels like 20 in Russellville, 27 feels like 20 in Coleman.
The good news is, as of this morning, Tennessee Valley Authority has ended their request for voluntary electric curtailment.
People enjoyed the Winter Wonderland with sleds you see there while in town to admire the Winter Wonderland. Water leak at a retirement home. It's after a sprinkler head broke inside the bedroom ceiling of a resident's apartment at Wesley Acres Retirement Home. Well, Decatur Middle School facing another water leak last night near its gymnasium.
Actually, my safety supervisor was online downloading footage from the first 2 ruptures and saw that we had some cameras going active.
We encourage folks to go ahead and call it, and we'll get someone out there to get the water cut off with the meters so that when it does thaw, it doesn't just continually run until we can get back out there.
More people are getting out. They have been cooped up for a long time. They're really getting yancy.
Look at this. People were busy shopping at Walmart. This is an inside look at Walmarts and other stores across the Tennessee Valley, many of them with empty shelves. Clearly, milk and bread aisles cleaned out. Several of our viewers sent us these as they ventured out to shop. And a pipe burst at Decatur Middle School last night. This will be the 4th time this week, and it caused some damage to a classroom there. Monday will be a remote learning day. That means they'll be working independently. Huntsville city leaders are working hard to clear major roadways.
We're blanking the city, trying to make sure that we have salt on the road, make sure that we get this ice off so that everybody's safe when they're traveling this weekend.
The roads, as you can see, look pretty clear, a stark contrast than from what it was a night ago